Hey guys, here I am with your first quarter market update. I've got it broken down by county, so I just want to let you know where we are as compared to last year's first quarter. We'll start with Tarrant County because that's where most of you are. We are at an average sales price for the first quarter of $419,000. Do you want to know what? That is up from last year about $10,000. It was $409 last year. So this is good news. We're seeing that in pretty much every county that it's about anywhere from $10 to it looks like $30,000 in certain counties. So we are up everywhere, which is fantastic. And it is what we predicted. So all of your friends that are telling you, let's wait for the market to crash, let's wait for the market to crash, they're still waiting, aren't they? Because we don't think that's what's going to happen. I obviously don't have a crystal ball. I cannot predict the future, but all economic forecasts are pointing to appreciation from this year to next year will continue to happen, and it should be at a rate of 4 to 5% is about what we're predicting. So more good news is that we are up on both new listings listed in the first quarter as well as current active listings. More inventory is good. Even if you are a seller, more inventory is good because that means if you're a seller who needs to buy, you are also a buyer and you have more to choose from. So inventory is not crazy high, so we're still seeing houses move quickly. I actually showed 2 properties this weekend that both went multiple offer. And then you've got other properties that are listed a week, 2 weeks, and they're still selling very quickly. But they are, the multiple offers are still happening, but not on every single property. So days on market, the average right now is 63 in the first quarter. And it was, let me see if I can find, it was 65 last year. So the days on market is staying pretty steady, which again, this is good news. We've got more inventory, higher prices. Days on market have not gone up. So we've got a really, really healthy market right now. We've got about 3 months of inventory in Tarrant County. And let's see, Johnson and Ellis County, we've got about 5 months of inventory. But right now to have 3 months of inventory in most places, you know, we used to say a healthy market was about 6 months of inventory. So we still have half of that, okay? So there are your bullet points. Prices higher, inventory higher, days on market about the same. Things are good, life is good. Everyone who's crying about how terrible the housing market is right now, it's just not true. The best update I can give you on interest rates is that they are still hovering in the high 6s, low 7s, where they have been for a while. We did not see a reduction the last time the Fed met. However, they are still predicting the royal they, all of the economists that get together with their brains that are much bigger than mine to decide these things. There are still predictions that we will see rate reductions throughout the year that will put us in the low 6s, high 5s by the end of 2024. That is the prediction. Again, no crystal ball. I cannot see the future, but that is the forecast. So I hope that your first quarter of 2024 was amazing, and I cannot wait to see what the second, third, and fourth bring to us this year in 2024. Have a great week.